Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 42 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're going to do a bit more than we've been doing the last few issues. Not much more, but a little bit more. We're going to finish off this wheel and we're going to fit it onto the chassis. Tut's case is shut. Another continuation. We're dealing with King Tut. One where Batman foils a criminal with buttermilk. Okay. The Lazarus Pit. Bringing people back to life, isn't it? There we go. Ra's al Ghul. Year by year, it's Batman 76. All the stuff about that. There's no hope in Crime Alley, apparently. Okay, spooky. Just in time for Halloween here. Yep, there we go. The car parts. What we've got. A couple of different screws, plate, and the putting the plate on to hold the wheel all together, screwing that on, then putting the plate that we've got left over from last time, which I've got here, and then fitting that to the chassis itself and putting the little batarang sort of emblem on the hubcap. And that's that. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it done. So this is what we've got. So we've got our other half of this to put together first. We've got our bat emblem that goes over the screw. That needs to go back on there, like so. That goes over it and lines up nicely like that. And then when I put it down, it's all going to fall apart again anyway. It's just like that. So let's get our 5 cm screws. And that spare one we're putting our back up for later. That lined up again. Screws in there, which will nicely hold everything together. Putting them in, piecing 2 going round anti-clockwise to keep it nice and even. Get them all in, make sure it lines up, and then go and tighten them up as ever. One over there, and that one down there. Nice. Then we can get them tightened up. Then we're mostly there. That's the tricky stuff. And the last one there. I think it's the last one. That one's already tight. Yes, it is. Good. Right. It's like 8M screws next to hold that in place on there, just like that. Not entirely certain what this bit's for. It's just to locate it in place on the brake pad that we fitted, I think. That will go in there. Nice. And that one. All nice and tight on there. Good. Right, then we're going to need washer and a single FM screw with a big head on there. Move those out of the way, get that ready. Put the washer on that screw. Easy way of doing it. That ready. This is going to go onto here. Goes on the front here. That's come undone from there. None of these tubes seem quite long enough, but we'll worry about that in a minute. That's going to go on there. Post goes into the hole like so. And then that can go all the way in there. And that will hold the wheel in place. Still let it rotate once it's tightened down. Yep, there you go. We can put our cover on there like that and pop our little bat symbol through. Pin holds that in place. There we go. I'd be happier if these were weighted and magnetic, so they'd stay the right way up, but they don't. They do turn with the wheel. But there we go. That is that. Another issue completed and another bit built. So we've actually got a wheel on there now. We've got 3 of the 4 wheels fitted, so it won't quite stand up yet, but it's almost there. So that's that. Another one done. Thank you very much for joining me. Not sure exactly where that's going to connect up, but we'll get it around there, out the way for now. Maybe tie it onto something. I don't know. For now, we'll just tuck it through. Tuck it through the steering, I think. Then I'll completely forget that I've done that and wonder where it's going next time. For now, that will keep that out of the way. So, thank you very much. I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.